Meron uling brand new 3-story house dito sa BF Homes. Pasukin natin. 3-story house yan. May 5 bedrooms. May 3-car garage. Ayun yung garage niya. Kasya doon yung mga SUV. At eto na, bukas na ang house. May malaking main door. Open layout, fully air-conditioned. Living. And then, merong hang powder room. Ito na yung pinaka-dining area. May drop ceiling pa. Kasi dito, 6-seater dining set. Pwede kang maglagay ng 2 o 3 bar stool. Tapos, ito ang iyong center island. Maliwanag dito sa iyong hugasan ng mga plates. Ito, meron kang lutuan. Ito, may mga Elba kitchen appliances. Tapos, merong daily kitchen. Meron ka pang front load washing machine. And dryer na rin. Double door refrigerator. Kaya panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines. And I will see you there para makita mo yung 3rd floor and 2nd floor. Bye!